Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Valorant van zero connection error. So it's quite simple, it's a short tutorial. So what you want to do is go to search, type in settings. Once you open the settings, go to privacy and security. Once in here, go to Windows security. Go here, then the first one, virus and threat protection. It will pop up a window, and once you're in here, basically you go this one. The second one, which is virus and threat protection settings, you click on it and then scroll all the way down till you find exclusions, and then click in add or remove, allow it to run it, and then click add exceptions, and then pick here a file. Pick a folder here instead of a file, and then find where your right games is. Mine is in C. Once I found it, I click select, and that's it. Once you finish this, adding exception, you go to firewall and network protection and click here allow an app through firewall. Click change settings, click allow another app, then browse and go local list C, find live games, Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, and then this one, Valorant's Windows 64 shipping, open, add, and it's added. As you can see, it says public, and then click OK, and that should be it. And that's it for this video. Try relaunching the Valorant again. Hopefully it works. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.